All right, guys, get ready with me. I can do it all by myself edition. So we're gonna start off with this hair, and then I'm gonna move on to doing my nails, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. So come on, let's go. All right, so gotta pop these nails off because I can't braid my nails that long. So I'm just shaving everything down to get the nail as thin as possible, and so I can braid and not get it snagged anything. My hair's fresh out of a braid out after being washed, and now it's time for parting and braiding. Did all of that, and then moved on to actually finishing my nails. I did a fill-in, and now I'm just doing, base. So I could do the French, Frenchy, mad cute. And now it's time for my lashes. So I have a little kit that I made for myself. Everything's from Linda Lash Pro. Did a little cat eye. Cat eye is my signature look. Love it so much. And look at that. Final results. And now I'm ready for my work week. How exciting.